Using the back gate because they're doing maintenance on the front gate. We're at Stephen Foster Folk Cultural Center, White Springs. I think that thing's open tomorrow. We are in spot 7. Spot 7 at Stephen Foster's Cultural Center State Park, something like that. Stephen Foster State Park, what we call it. This is the one in Florida, just outside of White Springs, Florida, not the Stephen Foster State Park that's in Georgia. Got one water, or actually 2 waters. You've got power pole with 2 20s and 1 30. Fairly large site. A little sunny, a little bit sunnier than I like for the summertime, but it is what it is. But pea gravel, old picnic table, grill. Starlink seems to be getting a good picture right up through there. Anyway, just driving through this park. Last time we were here was probably, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 years ago. And this park is, in my opinion, is in need of some help here. Some of the things, the attractions that they have here, some of the stuff associated with Stephen Foster and with the park, or some old tower and buildings and museum that now I've gotten to the point where they just let it run down. But anyway, we're gonna make the best of it. Oh yeah, and it's 98, feel like 112 right now, so we're gonna delay the walk. That guy's web. Luckily he was up high, right?
Uh-huh.
Those pines are pretty.
Yeah, they are.
Aren't they? It is sweltering.
Sure is.
And we had our giant banana spider encounter already. Right in the face. So enjoyable. This is a pretty area right there.
See the gray moss.
We decided to walk through the bell tower. See how these, what kind of shape these buildings are in. Yeah, pretty bright right there at the sun. We'll see if it's open. I don't think it is, but at least I see a ranger cutting grass, which needs it bad. This is where Kelly and I need to be, right?
That's where we want to be.
At that cabin right there.
All right.
Swanee River music.
Beautiful dreamer.
Oh, beautiful dreamer, yeah. Jeannie with the light brown hair. He wrote some classics.
Here's some portraits of him.
Pretty ornate.
Right there.
No, I don't think so. Pretty fancy in here. Is this it?
This is it.
You can't go up? I wanted to go up.
I don't think so. This is awful.
Not too impressive. There's the tower. Little museum inside there, and then you notice the weeds and stuff. Oh my goodness. The grass though,
Yeah.
needs it. Looks like the little craft village is closed. That one's tinted, so doesn't look like a termite tent. So it probably just has a
No.
leaky roof.
I bet that's it, because it would be completely covered.
Oh yeah. It's a shame, you know, that they got a lot of pretty stuff here. You know, they've got the bones. They just need to fix the meat up a little.
Boat place of the Upper Swanee.
Yeah, the Upper Swanee. Wonder how the Swanee's doing.
Yeah.
Wonder if it's like the Santa Fe. Once it's dry. Go take a look at the blacksmith shop. Freshly painted stuff.
Wish we didn't have the humidity like we have.
Yeah, it's been pretty bad lately.
Yeah.
We kind of lucked out the first 3 weeks of June, didn't we?
Mm-hmm. We did on that trip.
Yeah,
when
I
we
mean, it was
started.
cool.
It was really nice. We were shocked.
I just think the summer comes a little later in the northern parts of Georgia, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Quick recap. We're in spot 7 at Stephen Foster State Park in White Springs, Florida. It's a nice spot. Get partial shade, 2 waters, power pole that's got 30 and 220s. The upkeep of the park is in need of a lot of work, in my opinion. Again, it probably just comes down to funding. But all the buildings, all the what I consider somewhat historical buildings, but they're pretty run down. And unfortunately, the little craft village was closed. So, you know, we have a problem with a parent home, so we're going to get out of here.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Osceola Street.
And this park's got really good bones, but they need to fix it up.
Yeah.
It needs a lot of work.
Yeah.
The campsites need a lot of work. Good power, steady power. Here we go.
Adios.
Adios.